Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you an amazing creative design how to create geometric circle in Adobe Illustrator. So this tutorial is little bit short. Hope you won't be bored. So let's go to our tutorial.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow. Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
Yes viewers, so this is my tutorial. How is it? This is depend on you. Hope you enjoyed and you will get some new ideas about this amazing and creative design how to create in Adobe Illustrator. So if you are new in my channel, you have to subscribe it and click notification button, then you will receive my new information. So this is for today. See you next video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.